everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you these 3 super easy everyday voluminous hairstyles. You guys can wear this for work, to college, to school, for any occasion, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's get started. So for the first one, I'm going to begin by adding volume on my hair, and for that I'm going to be using the BBlunt Blown Away Volumizing Leave-In Spray. So when your scalp and hair is yet damp, just spray this directly on your scalp 2 to 3 times. And because I want volume only on the crown, I'm going to focus by applying it right there. So take sections out, spray it on your scalp and just massage it. And if you quickly want volume into your hair, just flip your hair downwards and then just blast dry it. When you blast dry in the opposite direction, it instantly adds a lot of volume. After that, I'm going to be taking a flat brush and I'm going to start gently lifting the hair directly from the roots. I'm only going to focus this on the roots because that will give me a lot of volume. The volumizing spray also helps the volume in your hair to stay in place and not fall flat. After that, I'm going to take random sections on my crown and just backcomb it at the roots. And if you can notice, it has helped me achieve so much volume on my crown when I'm backcombing it. That is because I lifted my hair from the roots and I also used the volumizing spray. And then just comb the hair a couple of times to make it slightly neat, and just take that section towards the back and start twisting it. And then just secure it using bobby pins or tic tac pins. Now with the front, I'm going to start flattening just one side and take it behind my ear. And with the other side, I'm going to take that above my hair and then again secure it behind my ear with a bobby pin. I'm going to finish it off by using the BBlunt Spotlight Hair Polish. Now this will help by adding shine to my finished hairstyle, and it will also keep my hair in place. And that is how it'll look if your hair is left straight. But I went ahead and added a little bit of curls just towards the ends. And that's how it looks. Either ways, it's going to look really nice. You guys can wear this for school, you guys can wear this for a formal occasion, and I loved how it turned out. Now for the second romantic voluminous ponytail, again we're going to begin by spraying the BBlunt Blown Away Volumizing Leave-In Spray, and we're just going to spray this only where we want volume. Instead of spraying this all over your head, you can just choose to spray this wherever your hairstyle requires volume. So I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to spray, rub it on my scalp and then just massage it. Again, just lifting it from the roots slightly. Now for the hairstyle, you're going to begin by leaving a little bit of hair right in the front. Take everything else towards the back and on top of your ear. Now with your fingers, you're just going to start lifting your hair from the sides and slightly on the crown. You can take the ends of a topsy tail or a tail comb just so that you can pick the hair up to add volume. Once I'm happy with the volume, I'm just going to take all of the hair towards the back and take it into a low ponytail. Now with the front bits, I'm going to take it towards the back, wrap it around the ponytail and just secure it with a bobby pin inside the hair. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And that is how it looks. You will have hair a little bit in the front and you will have a lot of volume on the sides and on the crown. Now moving on to the third one, which is the everyday voluminous bun. You're going to begin by taking a poof right on the top like this. And then you're going to use your fingers and start running it through the poof like this. And that is going to give you that separation in your poof that looks so chic. And then just secure the back using tic tac pins. Now for the side bits, you're just going to use your fingers and just brush it through your hair a couple of times. You're going to take it towards the back and just secure it. It is that simple. Now for the back, you're going to take all of your hair into your hands like this. Start twisting it into a bun. Now using your hands, start taking it into a donut sort of a shape. And just keep securing it with a lot of U-pins from all the sides. And you guys know how much I love the BBlunt Spotlight Hair Polish. I use this to finish off all of my hairstyles. It does not make your hair hard or stiff, it keeps it in place and also adds shine. And that is how it looks. It's so effortless, it's so chic. I love how the poof turned out. All of these 3 hairstyles are really easy to achieve. You can wear these on an everyday basis. You can wear it for a date, you can wear it for a night out or for dinner or for even school, college, for any occasion. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now these 3 hairstyles are easy, they're voluminous. You can use it every day or for an occasion or for a party. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know which one was your favorite, and I have put the links to both of the products in the description box. You guys can check it out. Like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.